Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw angel and stitch. So first we're going to get started on the right hand side with stitch, and for our nose we're going to start in the corner here, curving this line around, bringing this through and arching that out to the side of our page. We're going to flip over on the left hand side now, lining that up at the exact same height, and we're just going to replicate that for angel. And we're just going to leave a small gap in the center. Now for the nostril on both noses, we're just going to curve this line over and across from the bottom corner. Moving up above our nose now, let's arch this line around and then down. Now for the eye, coming beside our nose, we're going to curve this line up and out. And then starting from that inside corner, again, we're going to arch this line around and then up on the right. Let's draw in our eye now. So in the top, we're going to draw in a highlight with a circle. And we'll replicate this on both sides. And now let's draw in around the eye. So stepping further in again, we're going to curve this line around and down on the side. And then now from the bottom in that corner, again, just arching this line around, blending that back in as we curve that in towards the side. We're going to draw in some eyelashes on the side of angel now. So we're going to curve this line out and then in, creating a triangle. And then we're going to replicate that as we move underneath, just making that slightly smaller. Let's step across and draw in the ear now. So on the top here, we're going to curve this line up and over, again on both sides. And then as we move in towards the top, we're going to curve this line around and then down on the side. On the right hand side, we're going to draw in a small sideways letter V. And then on the left hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then out. Now from here on that corner, we're going to curve this line all the way around and then in. And then now starting from that corner on the top, we're just going to curve this line across from corner to corner. Now let's close off the top of the head. So we're going to focus on stitch first. So coming down on the right, we're going to curve this line around and then down for the tuft of the hair on the top. And then we're going to move across, making that smaller, replicating that. Now as we move down, we're going to arch this line through. And then on the top, again, we're just going to curve this line around and then back down. Moving over behind now for the ear, we're going to curve this line across. And then starting from that corner, just curving this line around and then back in, closing off the ear behind. Now let's move over and draw an angel. So we're going to draw in the center, curving this line up and then down for the left antenna. And then we're going to move up on a diagonal, replicating that, just bringing that line around and then down towards our ear. Now let's move over on the right. We're going to curve this line up and then down. And then again, moving up one more time, let's replicate that. Now let's close off the top of the head. So as we move over on the right, we're going to arch this line in for the tuft of hair. We're going to curve this line through. And then we're going to continue to bring this down towards our nose on the top. We're going to draw in another tuft of hair behind, curving this down. And then as we move through, we're going to arch this line down towards our ear. Let's draw in the ear behind. So again, we're going to curve this line over. And then starting on that point, arching this line around and then back in towards the top of the head. And then now from here, we're going to continue this antenna behind, curving this line down. And then moving in from the top, curving this line back through again. Now let's draw in our body. So coming down, we're going to draw in the foot first. So we're going to curve this line around and then in. We're going to leave a gap moving over on the left and replicating that. Starting from that point, we're going to curve this line back in. Again, we're going to continue to arch this line around and then in. And then we're going to do that one last time for our last toe. And now let's close off the bottom of the foot with an arch line, bringing this around and then over. In the center now, we're going to draw in a nice big circle. And now inside of each of the toe pads, we're just going to draw in a circle. So we're going to draw 4 in total as we come down. And now we're going to move over to the left side and replicate that. Now let's move behind and draw in the leg. So we're going to curve this line down and then up. Coming behind now for the back, we're going to arch this line down on both sides. And then now from here, we're going to arch this line around and then in towards our foot. Let's draw on the tail. We're going to curve this line down from top to bottom. Now moving in behind for the arm, we're going to draw in 2 curved lines, curving those up towards the top. Let's draw on the top of our arm, arching this line in. And then again, we're going to replicate that, curving this line down. And now from here for the top of the hand, we're just going to arch this line out. And now for the claws, we're going to draw in 3 curved lines as we come down on the top. And then now on the point of each one, we're just going to curve this line out. And then now from that corner, closing the claw off, we're just going to curve this line back in. Just creating some small triangles. Let's close off the bottom of the hand, curving this line through towards our foot. Now moving in the middle, we're going to curve this line up. Let's move across, replicating that. And then let's move in one more time, bringing that in towards the chin. Let's draw on our hind leg now, so we're going to curve this line down. Bringing this line out for the top of the foot. We're going to curve this line down for the top of the claw. Now from here, we're going to curve this line out, back in. Let's draw on the back foot now. So we're going to curve this line around 3 times in total as we come around in a circular pattern. Closing off the leg behind, curving this line in. In the center, we're going to draw in a circle. And then in each open toe pad, we're just going to draw in another circle. And then lastly, up above, we're just going to draw in a heart now. So in the center, we're going to curve this line around and then in the middle on the bottom. And then moving across on the right, let's replicate that again, connecting that together. And that is it. That's how you draw angel and stitch. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.